is like we can do this. So we can make an int called wait, what are we even missing here? Missing the spawn point height, width, and generated x. So spawn x equals this, and then int spawn y equals well, it's actually not right here, so can't. Okay, and a y, and int spawn, let's see, w will be that, and then int spawn h equals this then. And Obama the God, yes, I am self-taught. I spoke of that on my previous video, and yeah, I mean, I was on like, okay, I was doing some education shit, and I was like, well, actually, it's a bullshit story, but so I was doing this education thingy, and it was super fucking legit. Oh, actually, this won't work either. Shit, I'm a fucking idiot. But yeah, I was I was in school, and we had this course, which was like a 6 or 12 week course. I don't remember, but I think it was 6. And we learned the basics of C#, enough to make like a bit of a software and then show it off at the exam, but not more than that. And so yeah, I learned from that C#. It's like the very basics at least. Yeah. So yeah, I'm self-taught after that. So that was pretty much just the basics, the very basics. I'll tell you. And I had to, in order to actually complete that with a good grade in programming, I had to really study on my own. Not that there's anything wrong with that. It's just, you know, it was so basic that, and also it was an interest of mine. I really liked it. So yeah, I am self-taught. Oh yeah, you taught yourself Java. Yeah, well, it's pretty cool. I will admit, it's pretty dope. I would like to know a bit more about Java. You know what? What I do know of Java is what I've basically just come across when browsing the webs. So it's not much, as you can probably imagine. I mean, I do my best to not sound a complete idiot when talking of these things, but why is this wrong? Why is everything wrong here? Okay, just so you know, I have literally no clue what I'm doing right now. Literally putting things in and just hoping for the best. And oh god, will this even work? Lowercase x. Yeah, it's lowercase, and well, and so is the y. But where? Huh? Did I? No, it's the same up here. Damn. Why does that not work? Okay. Use of unassigned variable. Well, that's just fucking typical. Okay. So if I put them to 0, we should be fine then, right? Theory Illuminati confirmed? No? Yeah? Yep. Yeah, okay, there you go. Oh, fuck me! And they're not even symmetrical! And they don't even move right! Like, what? Fucking Flips keyboard. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez, Louise. Fuck me. Okay, let's go back. Let's go way back. Okay, here we go. So this is not a good way of doing it. Let's go back again. Okay, still here. Need help? Well, I wouldn't say no to needing help, but like as it is now, I know what I'm not doing. I'm a fucking pro, mate. I'm a pro. Okay, so one thing I don't get is why I... Oh, wow, okay, that's pretty good. Why I... See, sometimes I get stuck like this. I get stuck like this. And then, like, what? See, I can... Oh, gosh. Like, what? And then I get stuck. Like, this makes no fucking sense. It's probably somewhere in the... So let's see if I can move to the left. I can't move to the left if there's a dash like that, or if it's empty, which, you know, made sense. Well, so what's happening is that whenever, I mean, this is way too comprehensive to just, you know, being able to do on the stream, but like, you see, when oh god, I don't even know how to explain it. That's how difficult this is. Okay, let's just keep going. Let's keep going. Keep the show rolling. Keep the dollars floating. Keep. Oh god. So when a move is made, okay. So should we? I suppose we would have to. Wait a minute. Wait a fucking minute. The entire map is drawn after all this, and then we take player movement. I suppose it works. Whatever. If it works, it works. Alright. Am I right? I know I am. Just asking to be cool. So we will do the road creator software 2.5. Okay. So the road creator. Well, we have an issue. That is, I am pretty sure that I have no way of using any of these variables, like the random numbers that have been generated. You need a dungeon room generator. Well, kind of, actually. But if you're gonna, like, send me one, don't. That's the whole point of this. So what will happen is the road creator will... It should... but I'm pretty sure... Okay, so what will happen is we need a road creator to find where the last known location of a road is, which will be every hashtag. But I don't know how we'll find it. So I think what we will need is for it to see the player location, and then see if the player is yeah, I mean, it could look at a player location and then look at the content of what the player is about to step on. And then when, you know, one move is left until he steps on it, there will be more road ahead created. I think we could do that, yeah, sure. Okay. But maybe we can even, God. This is horrible. I think if we put this in here, okay, let's try that. Because if we're able to put one of these character move things in here, and no, we can't do that. Okay, let's just check it like this. Oh shit, we can! Really? Fuck. I suggest making the obstacles and stuff first and displaying the base of proximity of the player. Well, what happens, and this is the entire thing walked through, like we create the room, find the walls and all that, make it, fill it with dots, and then insert the player. And then the player moves, because the player is like being put in afterwards, so he has to move to activate his location. But then when he moves, he's able to move on all the dots and then not on the dashes of any kind, and he's able to move on the hashtags, but then he'll be stuck somehow. So it's not, that's not the issue. So apparently we can use these, or all the player character things in here, which is good. It's really good. So we'll have to make the road creator in here. Oh god, that was good. Well, all the text is stored in a two-dimensional array, like right here. And the character is stored in there as well. Him along with everything else is being put into the array, and then every time we go through it, it will loop and it will rewrite the entire array. It's a bit of a shitty way to do it, but it works, and then I don't care. That's like my philosophy. It works and I don't give a shit. So yeah, so the road creator. If we can, yeah, sure. Advice is welcome. Okay, I'm about to get some advice. I always get this and it's great. Oh shit, hash maps, no idea, mate. So we'll have to find the player's position, like the current position. So maybe we should. That will be difficult. Well, we could just find. So make like a new int and call it character position on the X equals the character's move left right, like that, and then an int called character position on the Y. It will be equal to character move up and down like this. Okay. Yeah. Then. Oh god, I don't even know now. So we have an X and a Y position of the player. So we can test if character position X -1 no, this is not the right way of doing it, because we will have to test the array. So it will be this. Yeah. So if this player Y. Oh shit, well that went wrong. That went wrong real quick. Okay, there you go. Oh god. Well, I think I'll be fine without using those hash maps, but thank you for letting me know. I appreciate it. Might look into it. Might. Not promising anything. Definitely not promising anything. Okay. That. So if this... So we need to test if that is a hashtag. So this will test if the player has just stepped on one of those last turn. Which would be good. It would be fine. I mean, the render distance on this game will be very minimal at best. I mean, and the worst thing is, like, Total Biscuit is gonna rip me to pieces, because there won't be any FOV sliders. But like, we'll have to integrate an FOV slider somehow to please the biscuit. God, oh, that would be kind of funny though. Just for biscuit options, which is just like an FOV slider, and it will literally just make the entire window widescreen as fuck. It'd be great. It would be great. So if he has just stepped on one, we will have to go back and look at the role. Because the role will tell us where it's gonna go, the next one, and from that we can gather nothing. Yeah, okay, from maybe we should have like a string that literally says went left, went right, up and down. So we can just go in and say, oh yeah, okay, it went up or it went down. I think we should do that. Okay, so string and call it direction equals, in this case, what? It went to the right. Yeah. Right. Then we can copy this. I mean, this is an awful way of doing it, but it will work. It'll work. and it will tell us exactly where it just went, and then we can like really clarify, like, where the fuck are we? like where are we? Yeah. Well, the array is not gonna go, you know, completely balls. I have it under control somehow. So if it is greater than 15, it went up, and then it went here it went down, and here it went up. So with that said, we now know we can, I mean, do we even, no, we don't even need to look then. We can, so we have so we have the direction it went, which is going to be good because that's the direction it's going to follow. Oh, it's, I mean, it's at least going to try. Yeah, so we should oh god, oh god, because we're gonna do like a roll for this, which will be 1 through 4, where 1 will be a step down or up, depends on which way it was going, and then 2 and 3 will be left and right, and then 4 will be generate a new room. But the problem with that, it's like pretty self-explanatory. We're gonna have to count how many steps the road has already taken. So we're gonna have to count road steps, which by default is gonna be 1, because we already generated 1. Oh god. Oh, it felt good. Oh god. So if we stepped on a hashtag, yes, if we stepped on a hashtag, we'll have to create a new one. And then the first thing we're gonna do is that the road step, we'll add 1. So we know we're now at 2, and so we'll check if road steps is well, greater than or equal to 2, we will allow it to move left and right or create a new room. But if it is not, more than 2, it would just take another step. It'll be like, yeah, just, you know, be patient, do another. And so we will have to look. So if direction, well, this is bad. Should have created it up there. So a string called direction, and we can literally just delete this and this, like everything right there, to there, and there, and now we should be able to do it. So if direction was equal to, let's start with right, it will do a something. Wait, what? Okay, well, I suppose it will need these, but what is wrong here? Use of unassigned local variable. Shouldn't be unassigned though. Well, we just have it blank then, whatever. Because I know it won't be blank for long. So if it's right, it'll do a something, a step. Everything will have to depend on something else, and that's the inherent flaw of this game, and why it will take a while to make. So the right step, if it has already taken a right step, we should just be able to, and we can take this, actually we can just reuse that and say that fine, then the character X position +1 will be set to a something. And we'll obviously end that. Oh god, what now? Wait, what? Only assignment call, increment, decrement, and new object expression can be used. Oh yeah, okay, because I'm using that double. And there you go. Great. I didn't even notice that. And if we go left, then it should be -1. If we are going up, it should be the Y position -1. Shit, he's just going right now. He's just, I mean, by he I mean me, just fucking cracking at it. And +1. So let's see if this works, because it should. And then we should be able to just walk forever and ever and ever. And I broke the game. Ah, damn it. Oh, okay, yeah. So if we take a step, it will. No, but this is only if we. Oh, that's not going to work then. This is going to. Okay, so it's greater than 1. Amazing. That's a brilliant way of checking anything. If it's greater than, like, fuck all. Fuck me, like, I don't even, like what? Greater than or equal to 1? Do we even have to check it at this point? Okay. Flux, no. Okay, everything's broken. Shit. Oh, okay. Well then. Okay, let us flux do this then, because that went wrong way fast. Ah, fuck me. Like, still didn't work. I mean, so if a character position, okay, let's test it, see if it actually tracks us. Okay, let's see, anything? Nothing. Can I not? I would actually really like it. Can I not, because I want to know, and it doesn't tell me where I am. Can I see it up here then? Because I must have, I mean I must have. No. Shite. Okay, well this is bad then. You know what we could do? We could, if this even is true, just write true. Like, it doesn't even matter where it writes it, just that it writes it would be great. Never wrote it. Never. Not even once. Okay. Yeah. I don't know why this wouldn't work. Because, like, we... Interesting. Oh, you know what? Oh, damn it. It's because of this, isn't it? It's because of this. Like, if that went there, we wouldn't be able to do this, and then we wouldn't be able to put it in... Fuck me. Okay, so clearly that was not the way to go. Yeah, that went poorly, to say the least. That's why it didn't even work, because it was always 0. Okay. So we'll have to move this. Is it everything in there? Yeah. So everything in there down into the move. I can't be right. Can I do it here? No. The answer is apparently no. Oh god. The worst thing is, it's not even that these are created in here. It's just like, I don't know. I don't know. Oh. Oh, interesting. Okay. So maybe. Okay. Follow me here. If I, because I have to do one of these at some point. And okay, actually, I have to declare it an int. Oh god, what now? Okay. Oh my god. Like my fucking head. I'm probably dying here. I'm probably gonna die. Like, most likely I will die. That's like that's most likely what's gonna happen, actually. So be aware. Shit. So so these are not allowed to be used right from the beginning. Yeah, because they're not set, and they can't be, because if I set him in here, well, I guess I kind of have to. Well, they are set in here. Fuck you, game. They are fucking set in here. Like, they're right here. Literally being set at this moment. Okay, so does it have to be 0 by default? Fuck this business. Okay, that actually works then. And that actually breaks the game then. Okay, so we can move. No worries. But creating this down here didn't work. And I am not sure why. Okay. Let's try and where did I? Okay, so we're at. Wait a minute. Where did I set the interface? That's at 29, 80 and 29. So we'll set it at like 129, and then we'll write true if ever. Because if it won't, fucking rage quit right this moment. It should say true, but it doesn't. It doesn't. Well. Let's see. Okay, can I track it here? If I no. No, it appears not. Normally, okay, let's try and can we enter like debug mode? Start debugging. So I'd really love to know where things are. And when entering debug mode, I should be given like something, some sort of an interface, but no. Okay. Select tools. That's not what I was looking for. Still not what I'm looking for. I mean, I remember a time, an easier time in my life, when I was able to call hierarchy. Okay, wait a minute. View, class view. Rogue, yeah, no, nope. Okay. Call hierarchy. Still not what we're looking for. An output. Shit. This? No. No, can't use that either. There should be like a no definition. Object browser? No, it's definitely not it. Jeez. Okay, there you go. Solution. I mean, that's all fine and that, but it doesn't help. Okay. Well, I think that'll be enough for today then. And I'll try to figure it out until next time. Well, let me just refresh it for a moment. But thank you all for watching and tuning in whenever you did. I do appreciate it. This was this was quite the project, I must admit, and it seems to me that I have actually bit more than I should have. But I hope that you on the videos will be able to tell me maybe what I did wrong. I mean, you always do. So thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate it. And not to worry if you're watching the whole video. There will be going little clips of it up on my channel later, along with the text-based RPG. We're definitely not done with that. That will come alongside with this, if you don't already know. It's kind of pointless telling you now, actually realizing. Oh god. Thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you all next time. Bye guys.